Why are 911 operators so calm? Like, I just saw this video where a lady was literally being chased by someone with a machete, and she was on the 911 call like, help, help, they're chasing me, please hurry. And the operator was just like, okay, ma'am, can you tell me your name? What? Like, if I was the 911 operator right there, I would be like, a machete? Run, girl, run! And trust me, I know they're calm on purpose, but I feel like if I was being chased by someone and the only response I got was, what's your name? I would be even more stressed because, like, do you even care? The operators talk as if you just interrupted something that they were doing. Like, in one of the videos, I could hear the operator yawn. Imagine running for your life and the 911 operator yawns. You're cooked. You're cooked.